Hello, Basic English class presentation topic pronouns. Contents, pronouns, kinds of pronouns, solved examples. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Pronouns are classified into different kinds. Kinds of pronouns. Kinds of pronouns are personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, distributive pronouns. Pronouns. Question 1. Underline the pronoun or pronouns in the following sentences and state the kind or type of pronoun. 1. He is a singer. 2. She talked to herself. 3. One should work sincerely. 4. Who bought this cake? 5. Ritu's parents advised her to work hard. 6. Each of the students won a prize. 7. The student who won a prize was praised by the teachers. 8. The book which he read was interesting. 9. She herself explained the matter. 10. This is a new dress. 11. The teacher spoke to them. 12. They are teachers. 13. Who bought the book? 14. Her sister, who is a teacher, works in Pune. 15. That house is hers. 16. He himself went to the office. 17. What did they ask? 18. They are Reena's friends. 19. The house itself is not very old. 20. None of his stories were published. Question 1. Answer key. 1. He is a singer. The word he is a personal pronoun. 2. She talked to herself. The word she is a personal pronoun. The word herself is a reflexive pronoun. 3. One should work sincerely. The word one is an indefinite pronoun. 4. Who bought this cake? The word who is an interrogative pronoun. 5. Ritu's parents advised her to work hard. The word her is a personal pronoun. 6. Each of the students won a prize. The word each is a distributive pronoun. 7. The student who won a prize was praised by the teachers. The word who is a relative pronoun. 8. The book which he read was interesting. The word which is a relative pronoun. The word he is a personal pronoun. 9. She herself explained the matter. The word she is a personal pronoun. The word herself is an emphatic pronoun. 10. This is a new dress. The word this is a demonstrative pronoun. 11. The teacher spoke to them. The word them is a personal pronoun. 12. They are teachers. The word they is a personal pronoun. 13. Who bought this book? The word who is an interrogative pronoun. 14. Her sister, who is a teacher, works in Pune. The word who is a relative pronoun. 15. That house is hers. The word hers is a possessive pronoun. 16. He himself went to the office. The word he is a personal pronoun and the word himself is an emphatic pronoun. 17. What did they ask? The word what is an interrogative pronoun. The word they is a personal pronoun. 18. They are Reena's friends. The word they is a personal pronoun. 19. The house itself is not very old. The word itself is an emphatic pronoun. 20. None of his stories were published. The word none is an indefinite pronoun. Thank you.